Golden from KPop Demon Hunters tops Billboard Hot 100 for 4 weeks, surpasses BTS Dynamite. Netflix's animated adventure KPop Demon Hunters is doing more than dazzling fans on screen, it's rewriting music history. Its breakout anthem Golden has once again claimed the No. 1 spot on the Billboard Hot 100, spending 4 weeks at the summit, Billboard said on Monday. According to the chart preview, Golden held off strong competition from Alex Warren's Ordinary and Sabrina Carpenter's new release, Tears. The track's rise has been remarkable. Debuting at No. 81, Golden climbed step by step through positions 23, 6, 4, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, and 1. With its latest victory, the song surpasses its 2020 global hit Dynamite, which topped the Hot 100 for 3 weeks. Among K-pop songs, only It's Butter, with its 10-week reign, has enjoyed a longer stay at No. 1. Billboard also highlighted Golden's dominance across categories. It remains No. 1 on the streaming songs chart for a 7th week, rose from No. 29 to No. 24 on radio songs, and held the top spot in digital song sales for the 2nd consecutive week. The soundtrack's success extends beyond Golden. 3 other tracks from KPop Demon Hunters also placed in the Hot 100's top 10: Your Idol at No. 4, Soda Pop at No. 5, and How It's Done at No. 9. Billboard confirmed this is the first time in the chart's 67-year history that a soundtrack has simultaneously landed 4 tracks in the top 10.